Yo, what up YouTube? It's a boy DJ90 aka Mr. Keys aka DJ90 Keys. So yeah guys, today I'll be showing you how I made this beat right here. So I'm gonna take you step by step to instruments and where I got the sound, and from there like I will play the whole beat at the end, right? So the first thing first that I did, I played this piano right here. This is the piano that I played. It's from Keys Classic. The preset is Yamaha grand piano, so that's the piano there. This is how the piano sound like. Yeah, that's the piano. Then from there, the second thing that I did, I added these drums from hypersonic, right? So hypersonic, then you open it, you come to natural drums. This is the drum, soul drum one. So that's the drum I did, because I wanted like you know, the African vibe kind of style. So that's how I played this beat, those drums. And okay guys, my tempo is 98 bpm as you can see here, and my swing it's on to achieve this beat, right? Your swing has to be on 50%. That's how it sounded good when it's on 50%, because it gave that rhythm to the beat, right? So this how the drums sound like, these kind of drums, these African vibe drums. So they sound like this. Yeah, so that's like the whole thing there. Then from there I have my shaker right here, because you know, like, you can't do Afrobeat without a shaker. So I place this shaker just to give the beat a rhythm, you know, something to vibe into. So this is how my shaker sound like. Yeah, I put a little bit of reverb on top of it just to, yeah, so that's the whole thing. Then from there I did my drums. So these are my drums right here. These are my drums. Wait, this is not the whole drums. These are like the drums that I did when I introduced the beat, so that it can have, like, you know, a nice vibe when it enter. But this is where the drums are. These are my drums, so they sound like this. Yeah, that's my drums guys, that's how my drums sound like. Then from there, these are the drums on like on a hook part. Then I have other drums like the one that I played here. So I have like section of drums, so that it gives like the vibe, and of course to put the variation to the beat, right? So this how other drums sound like. I just removed the kick from the main drums. So those are the drums. Another drums, they are here. So on this one I played the kick, but then I played it in like in a variation way, so that it can be unique from the other section of the beats, right? So it goes like it's like goes ABC 1 2 3, like back and forth. That's how I wanted this beat to be. So it has like variation of drums, not only one drum playing through the whole beat, but like it changes drums. So these are like other drums, they sound like this. Yeah, yeah, so that's how they sound. They are like different from the main drums. Then from there I have my bass guitar, right? So my bass guitar is from Purity, the plugin Purity, and from there you go to the bass guitars, and it's eBass 08. So that's like the bass that I used on this beat. So this is how the bass sound like. So that's another part of the bass, and we also have this part here of the bass. This one. No, like the bass changes there and there. You can see the variation there. It's another version here. No, the variation is, so it's all like putting different variations to like the bass and stuff. Then from there I have my I just wrote saxophone. This is the sound. The sound is from Purity also, so it's sax and brass ENS from like this brass section part. So yep, this is how it sound like. It sound like this. I added more of the reverb on top of it, right? Yeah, so that's the sound there. And from there I added this strings. I have strings, as always. We know, like those who follow my video, they know like I always put strings. See, I don't put like on a higher volume, but then just on a decent volume, so that it can back up the whole sound. It can fill the space where the beat is like empty. So the strings does that. It fills the beat. You don't have to do much, you just a little bit, you know, so you can have like something there. So this is how my strings sound like. It's basic. It just copies the chords from, it copies the main chords from the first piano we had. And from there I have another piano. I added like an EP piano. This is the piano from Keys Zone Classic. So here the preset is basic electric piano. So I love this one because like it has that variation, like, you know, it has a nice sound. I love this sound, right? So it sounds like this. Yeah, so that's how the E piano sound. This is like one section of the E piano. So we also have another section also, because as I told you guys, I wanted this video to have like variation and variation, so that it doesn't play one thing all together, but it plays like different sounds. So when they connect together, they make like a powerful beat. Like you'll hear it, the whole beat, how it sounds. So this is another part of the E piano. It sounds like this. It's like the variation. It's like I went off beat when I played it, so it sounds like a real thing, right? So yeah. So now I have this flute right here. Yeah, this flute. This is how it sounds like. Okay, let me show you how I got the flute from. So I got the flute from of course it's this thing, it's hypersonic. Then you come here to trumpet, here to brass section, right? Here is it, a solo trumpet. So I got it from hypersonic. So this is how it sounds like. It doesn't do much, but then you can feel it that now, man. It's simple, but it adds something to the beat, right? So the final, wait, let me see. Yeah, of course I have a lot of shakers right here. As you know, it's Afrobeat, like you kinda have to put like variation of shakers. So this is another shaker I have right here. Sound like this. Then from here I also have another shaker, just this one. So these shakers, right, they add the vibe to the Afrobeat. So because you can't have Afrobeat without like shakers. That won't be Afrobeat, bro. Like we need shakers there. We need to feel the sound, that this sound is from Africa, right? So here I have my other sound. I don't know which one is this one, but then it's like a sound I played. I got the sound from, it's bright harmonic steel drum. Then I got the sound from here on mallet, right? From mallet. Then here's the sound. It's hypersonic, by the way, hypersonic. Then you go to mallet. From mallet, here's the sound, bright harmonic steel drums. So this sound is the main sound of the beat. This is the one that makes me go crazy when I listen to the beat. This sound, it makes me go crazy. I'm not ashamed to say this, but then this sound is just, it's way too good. So it sounds like this. It gives that marimba, xylophone, vibraphone kind of sound, right? So that's why like this sound is just so good for this beat. So guys, that's more like it. And of course I can't forget my my tag. We have my tag right here. As always, you'll hear a DJ 90s beat. So once you hear that tag, just know I'm the one who produced the beat. So it sounds like this. DJ 90s beat. Yeah, so that's like the whole tag kind of thing. And of course I have like transitions, drums, like the drum rolls there and there. So I won't just play those ones. They are in my pack right here, here on Afrobeat. Then here they are, jab rolls and fills. So these are the packs, these are the drum rolls. All the drum rolls that I use, they are found here. Some of them I just like work on them nicely. So these are my drum rolls. So if you want this pack, you can just tell me and something happened for you guys. So this, like, let me just play the whole beat what we have so far as I showed you, and how this sound connect with one another to make this great masterpiece of a beat. So this is how the beat sound like, guys. Yeah, guys, so that's how I made this kind of beat. This beat is crazy. It sounds so good, bro. Like this is one of the best beat I ever made in my entire studio life, if I can put it in that way. This beat is so good. So yeah, that's how I made it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. You can go ahead and support the channel. You can like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, I'll see you into another video. I'm DJ Naint and I'm out. Peace. I won't worry too much about provision. I won't worry too much. In God I'm covered. I won't worry